Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you the major problem that we have over here with the LCD keypad shield. This is a DFROBOT LCD keypad shield. Behind you it should look like that because this is a clone. So okay, and this is a ARDUINO Uno board. The Arduino board is loaded with LCD code, which is displaying when I press the left, up, down or right button, it will display it on the screen. So yeah, the Arduino Uno is doing fine. The code is actually working, where the LED over here is light up and also the power is light up. So let's pop the LCD keypad shield on. So how do you put it on it? Is to just match the pin over here and just plug it in over, plug in this, power up. Normally what you get is like blank, so nothing. There's only black and white screen over here. What should you do? There's no black box over here, so you need to adjust the potentiometer, which is this. Turn clockwise around 10 until you see the values, the boxes out. Yeah. Okay, so now you have the boxes. Now do you have the boxes over here? So you have the code running behind, but you can't see the values over there. What do you do next is you press slightly on all area, press harder, let the code load, and when you press almost this, which is the pins are all in, and you will get the screen loaded. This is the code.